Real truffle oil is derived from truffles, which are fungi that grow underground. Their rarity, along with the labor-intensive process of finding and extracting them, leads to the steep price. Some versions sold in stores use synthetic aromas rather than actual truffles, so those tend to be cheaper. Genuine oil, where the fragrance and compounds come from actual truffles, often has a certain depth of quality and beneficial properties that synthetic alternatives can't match. It's this authentic version that seniors turn to when addressing specific external health concerns rather than for culinary use. One of the first concerns that often plagues seniors is discomfort in the joints. Real truffle oil may help soothe occasional joint stiffness when used externally. The natural practitioner explained that the oil's monounsaturated fats and potential anti-inflammatory properties make it a gentle option for topical massage. Many older adults warm a small amount of the oil and carefully massage it around the knees, wrists, or hips. The warmth, combined with the oil's beneficial properties, can provide comfort for those experiencing daily stiffness. Applying it externally in a routine massage can offer a soothing effect without the need for ingestion. Dry skin is another issue frequently encountered by seniors. Many older individuals incorporate a drop of genuine truffle oil into their skincare regimen, especially by blending it with their favorite moisturizer. Areas like the elbows, hands, and heels, where the skin tends to be rough or dry, respond well to this treatment. The natural fats in truffle oil help keep the skin supple and hydrated when applied topically. A very small quantity is typically enough, as the oil is potent and easily absorbed. By gently massaging it in, seniors often find that even the driest patches show improvement over time, while the lingering aroma remains subtle. Thinning hair and a fragile scalp are also common challenges among older adults. In an effort to enhance scalp health without resorting to ingestion, several seniors have discovered that massaging about half a teaspoon of warmed truffle oil into the scalp can stimulate circulation and maintain hydration in that area. Often, it is blended with a more economical carrier oil to extend its use. A gentle scalp massage for a few minutes can help reduce minor irritation and dryness. Allowing the oil to sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo has proven beneficial for some, offering a nurturing treatment without the need for consuming the oil. Enhancing facial appearance is another area where the external use of truffle oil has proven advantageous. Seniors have incorporated a subtle facial massage technique into their skincare routines. A pea-sized amount of the oil, rubbed between the palms and then gently patted onto the face, can help improve the skin's appearance and provide a boost of hydration. This ritual is often carried out after a warm bath or during the evening before bed, making it a cherished part of the nightly routine. Many report that, over time, their complexion appears brighter and more nourished, with the natural glow reinforcing a sense of well-being. Beyond direct skin and joint applications, the aroma of truffle oil can contribute indirectly to relaxation and stress relief. The rich, earthy scent of authentic truffle oil is known to evoke a sense of calm. Some seniors use it as part of an external aromatherapy ritual by placing a drop on a cotton pad or using a diffuser designed for essential oils. Inhaling the subtle aroma for a few moments can help create a peaceful environment. This practice is not a substitute for professional stress management, but it serves as a pleasant external ritual that many find grounding. Physical activity, even something as routine as walking or gardening, can sometimes leave muscles feeling tight or sore in later years. Seniors who remain active have reported that using a warm mixture of truffle oil for localized massage can help alleviate the discomfort of tired or strained muscles. The oil, when gently massaged into the affected areas, provides a comforting sensation that seems to ease the tension. This external application becomes a part of a recovery routine that, while simple, enhances overall comfort and mobility. A further benefit observed by some seniors is improved scalp and hair condition purely through external application. Regular gentle massages with truffle oil, when blended with other nourishing oils, seem to promote an overall sense of well-being in the scalp. This approach has allowed individuals to manage issues like dandruff or scalp dryness without relying on chemical treatments. The natural composition of authentic truffle oil, when used sparingly and with care, complements a broader regimen of topical skincare treatments. Storage is an essential aspect of preserving truffle oil's precious qualities. Because high-quality truffle oil is delicate, it needs to be stored away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Many older adults treat their bottle of truffle oil as a small treasure, keeping it in a cool, dark cabinet or even refrigerating it, then allowing it to reach room temperature before each use. This careful preservation ensures that every drop maintains its beneficial properties for topical application. Such mindful handling reinforces the idea that quality over quantity matters, especially when the aim is to use the oil in a precise, external manner. The elevated price of truffle oil might still puzzle some who are accustomed to more common topical treatments. However, the rarity of truffles and the meticulous process required to produce authentic oil mean that every drop represents a refined product. Skilled harvesters use trained animals or specialized techniques to uncover truffles hidden beneath the soil, and only a fraction of the harvest is deemed suitable for producing high-grade oil. The careful extraction and blending process further contributes to its price. Yet for seniors who choose to use it externally, the expense is justified by the tangible benefits observed when the oil is applied correctly. For those considering integrating truffle oil into their personal care routine, it's important to confirm that the product is genuine. Labels can be misleading. Some brands simply mimic the scent using additives instead of real truffle essence. Reading the ingredients list carefully is essential. The trusted product from Amazon, whose link you will find in the description below, provides assurance of authenticity and quality. Using truffle oil externally requires a mindful approach. It should be applied with care and in moderation, as a little goes a long way. Seniors who decide to adopt this product into their routine typically use it a few times a week as part of their self-care practices, whether in facial routines, scalp massages, or joint relief. Each external application should be observed carefully to understand individual responses, ensuring that the oil enhances comfort and well-being without causing irritation. This discussion has taught me that truffle oil, although primarily known for its upscale culinary status, can hold significant potential when repurposed for external use by seniors. Its value lies in its ability to address several common issues, from joint discomfort and dry skin to scalp health, facial nourishment, and even creating a moment of tranquility through aromatherapy. The costs associated with this oil reflect the rarity of its source and the care that goes into its production. While the benefits are found in its diverse, gentle applications on the skin and other external areas, Every aspect of using truffle oil as a topical treatment, from selecting a genuine product to applying it correctly, requires a thoughtful and intentional approach. Seniors who invest in a trusted product recognize that it offers more than just a luxury experience. It can be a valuable addition to their daily self-care regimen. When used consistently and mindfully, each application becomes a small yet meaningful gesture toward maintaining comfort, enhancing skin hydration, and nurturing overall well-being. For many older adults, incorporating high-quality truffle oil into their external routines means embracing a lifestyle that values small, deliberate improvements. The oil's unique properties, when used judiciously as a topical remedy, can offer noticeable relief and sensory enrichment at a time when every advantage matters. The decision to invest in such a product is rooted in a commitment to quality and the understanding that even minor enhancements in self-care can have a significant positive impact. So, the multifaceted benefits of authentic truffle oil, when applied externally, demonstrate why its price remains high and how it continues to be valued by seniors for its practical applications. Whether massaged into joints, blended into skincare routines, applied on the scalp, or enjoyed as part of an aromatherapy practice, every drop of genuine truffle oil serves as a thoughtful enhancement to daily life. The careful, measured use of this oil redefines its role from a mere culinary ingredient to a strategic element in a well-rounded external wellness routine, offering support for comfort and quality of life.